Good evening, 47. The annual Snow Festival is underway at the Gamma facility. Dmitry Fedorov is scheduled to be discharged from the hospital tomorrow and has been seen wandering the public areas of the facility, enjoying the festivities. Good luck.
Get it over with, you coward! Yes, shoot me, see if I care! Oh, please! I haven't done anything!
Good evening, 47. Your target is Dmitry Fedorov, currently a patient at the prestigious Gamma facility in Hokkaido. Fedorov owns a series of infamously unsafe fireworks factories in Russia. In a stroke of poetic justice, 4 weeks ago, Fedorov was severely injured in an accident at one of his own factories. He was initially in critical condition, but has since made a miraculous recovery thanks to advanced Kronstadt surgical technology used at the facility. 26 of his employees were not that lucky. Fedorov now plans to retire in the Bahamas on the insurance collected from the accident. But a group of surviving factory workers have decided to ensure Fedorov doesn't leave Hokkaido alive. Let's make this one count, 47. Good evening, 47. The annual Snow Festival is underway at the Gamma facility. Dmitry Fedorov is scheduled to be discharged from the hospital tomorrow and has been seen wandering the public areas of the facility, enjoying the festivities. Good luck.
World is truly wonderful.
Huh. Command, we got a situation.
But I'll tell you what, I'll tell you something. We're up here, it's beautiful. We should enjoy it and not worry about what's going on in the rest of the world. We just shouldn't. This place is too expensive to just sit here and worry. You know what I mean?
Yeah, okay. Sounds a little weird, but yeah. I think we have something in common. You and me. We are a little all over the place when we chat.
That is Dmitry Fedorov, responsible for the deaths of 26 employees at his faulty fireworks factory.
Yes, well, that may be so, sir. But you can this area is for staff and security only. Please return to the bar. I will make sure to mention whatever it is that is.
What? Oh, God, some people think they own the place.
So what do you do? See, I'm in between jobs until Daddy fully decides what it is I'm supposed to do. I have one passion, to write. But Daddy says that's not a real job and he will cut off.
Something just crawled inside me and died. Oh, God, I feel sick.
But admittedly, not patience. But I'm still doing it. As they say, everyone has a
Oh!
Dmitry Fedorov eliminated. Nicely done, 47. Time to exfiltrate the facility.
I found a weapon. It was just lying there, like a piece of rubbish.
All right, stay put. I got this.
What do we have here?
Are you kidding me, Chef?
Good evening, 47. The annual Snow Festival is underway at the Gamma facility. Dmitry Fedorov is scheduled to be discharged from the hospital tomorrow and has been seen wandering the public areas of the facility, enjoying the festivities. Good luck.
Don't worry, son. I'll help you out.
Hey, so you're the curator's research. What?
It's me.
That is Dmitry Fedorov, responsible for the deaths of 26 employees at his faulty fireworks factory.
Oh, God. The tune was off. Oh, crap.
Dmitry Fedorov eliminated. Nicely done, 47. Time to exfiltrate the facility.
Come in, Command. I'll copy. Come on, wait. Not over yet! Security, we're not safe. Clear out. Yes, yes.
Mr. Jason Bond, please come to the hospital entrance. A doctor will escort you to your checkup. That was for Mr. Jason Bond. A doctor will escort you to your appointment.
Good evening, 47. The annual Snow Festival is underway at the Gamma facility. Dmitry Fedorov is scheduled to be discharged from the hospital tomorrow and has been seen wandering the public areas of the facility, enjoying the festivities. Good luck. Dmitry Fedorov eliminated. Nicely done, 47. Time to exfiltrate the facility. Good evening, 47. The annual Snow Festival is underway at the Gamma facility. Dmitry Fedorov is scheduled to be discharged from the hospital tomorrow and has been seen wandering the public areas of the facility, enjoying the festivities. Good luck.
What are you waiting for? Go! Come on! Chop chop!
Roger. Huh? This...
You sick piece of shit! Put that body down!
Huh. I could say typical, I guess.
Stay here to be safe. You don't have to tell me twice.
Don't let this get to you, man. Calm, smile, calm and smile.
That's down.
What the? Yeah, you need to see a doctor right away.
Whoa.
you okay? If you can...
Up on 2 feet. Come on, let's go.
Hey,
Yeah. Wait, who are you?
Do we have any ID on the suspect?
I'm sorry. Look, I didn't get a good look at him.
Hey, you!
Yeah, you! What's this? Your work, huh?
I'm my son.
Hey there, bodyguard.
That is Dmitry Fedorov,
You guys are so
responsible
cool.
for the deaths of 26
Seriously.
employees at his faulty fireworks factory.
Okay. Someone there?
Yeah.
Help!
hey,
Let me handle this.
I'm gonna bring you down! Over a headshot. Loud and clear!
flying along for a couple of months.
Requested assistance!
Lost visual on target, Delta.
He's gone. He's gone.
Huh?
Jesus! Are we clear?
All clear here, sir. Right, it's safe.
How are we looking? Are we clear?
Dmitry Fedorov eliminated. Nicely done, 47. Time to exfiltrate the facility.
Let me know if I can be of help.